If you need to cancel a pending transaction on your Google account, follow these steps to ensure the transaction is stopped before it completes. Step 1. Open Google Pay. Launch the Google Pay app on your mobile device or visit the Google Pay website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into the correct Google account associated with the transaction. Step 2. Locate the transaction. In the app or website, navigate to the Activity or Transactions section. Look for the pending transaction that you wish to cancel. It should be listed with details such as the amount and the merchant. Step 3. Select the transaction. Pick or tap on the pending transaction to view more details. This will provide you with options related to the transaction, including the ability to cancel it. Step 4. Cancel the transaction. Look for a Cancel or Report Problem option. Click or tap on this option to initiate the cancellation process. Follow any prompts that appear to confirm your decision to cancel the transaction. Step 5. Check confirmation. After submitting the cancellation request, check for a confirmation message or email indicating that the transaction has been successfully cancelled. You may also want to revisit the Activity or Transactions section to ensure the pending transaction is no longer listed. By following these steps, you can effectively cancel a pending transaction on your Google account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Google support for further assistance.